this vacuum here, boy.
This vacuum, funny story about this vacuum. We actually found this on the side of the road.
Wait a minute. I never came out with it.
So, wait.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This vacuum cleaner right here. Is there a hose that comes in? Yeah, look at that.
Wait a minute. What is this for?
That's for a filter.
We don't.
Wait, now.
We don't need no filter.
No, don't need a filter. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. See. So, you know, with every vacuum that we have, you know, we want to do a proper test, right? To quality test, you know, see how well the vacuum performs. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to test the quality of the vacuum by vacuuming up some of this lovely fur we have on the ground.
Wow, fur. Can I hold it?
Yeah, hold on.
The switch came away.
The belt is going to get eaten up. The belt is going to eat up. The belt is going to get eaten up.
Got it. Look what I put. I can crack this thing in half.
Oh, listen.
Oh, look, it don't spin anymore. I'll fix that.
Here. Well.
Oh, it's smoking. It's smoking.
It's smoking. It's smoking. Turn it on. That's the belt. That's the belt. That's the belt smoking. That's the belt smoking.
wait, stop. Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm turning it off so we can look at it. Come on, we need this one of smoke to come out. Come here, I'll fix that.
Oh, something popped.
Oh shit. It's crackling. Yeah, fuck, sorry, this thing. No. Stop it. Hey, stop with the phone. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. Oh! Oh, fuck this shit. Turn it off. Jesus, man, I've seen fucking sparks from it. Now it's not smoking anymore.
No, because the belt is broke. See, the belt went in there. The belt is off it.
No, let me plug it in.
Hey, look, I found the wheel.
There's another vacuum cleaner on Sud Road, by the way. Remember I seen one?
Yeah. How do you like your carpet, high or low?
I like it hot.
Well, I don't care.
Wait, where's my hammer thing? I don't have a hammer, so I'll just use this. Look. Okay. Oh shit.
What was that? Ah! Shit. Oh, it's smoking.
Is this?
Smoking again. Plug it back in, I already have. Is it already plugged in?
No.
Oh.
Nope.
The switch. What about the switch? We need the switch.
What's this?
The switch on the...
Don't worry, let me just...
Ready?
Yeah.
Plugged in?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Mine still on camera there?
I would say. Watch out.
Oh yeah, plug that thing back in.
Look at it smoking.
I want to hear it purr.
Oh, look at it smoking. Can stop. Don't move it.
I want to hear it purr.
What?
Let's hear it purr. Come on.
Wait.
I'll turn it on the vacuum when you plug it in.
Let me fix it, Nolan. Yeah.
I'll stand up.
I'll stand up after this one. Wait, don't.
Oh.
Come here.
We don't need that
Come here. Let's stand up after this one.
one. Wait, we need the power switch. Oh, motor.
Alright, let me fix it.
Come on. Plug her in.
Wait.
Oh yeah, who needs wheels on vacuum?
I'm plugging her in.
Ready?
Wait, not yet.
It's already turned on, so. You ready?
Yeah, turn it on. Oh, fuck, it's fucking with the lights.
It's gonna... Look, watch. Oh, it's frying. It's frying. It's frying. Oh!
Fucking okay.
Okay. No, don't unplug it.
That's too much. It's like a
it fry.
fucking smoke bomb.
Let it fry. Let it fry. Come on.
Fuck.
Let it fry. Come on,
Open
plug
up
it
the door, man. It's like fucking...
in. Yeah, well, plug it in, though. Oh, got it.
Damn.
Plug it in. Come on, plug this thing back in. We gotta let it
Hold
fry.
my camera while I do it.
Oh, God, this thing.
Fucking thing electrocutes me so much.
Oh, yeah. Come on, come on. She's doing it again. Whew, it smells like banana bread.
Yeah, we put it inside. Oh shit, the thing over here was sparking.
That's nothing. Holy fuck. Whoo!
Oh, for the fucking eyes.
Ugh. Plug it in on the outside porch.
Turn the light over here, huh?
Wait, we gotta plug in over here. Nick, we gotta plug in over here, remember? It's dark out here, though. Whew. Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh shit, it's sparking.
Oh, yeah. Whoa! Oh, shit! It's on fire.
Did you get it from mine? Did you?
Oh, no, I wasn't looking. That's a vacuum motor. Fucking... Right? That's it.
That's it, folks. Good night, everybody.